Hi, this is Marco from Spotahome, Berlin. We are now in the district of Schöneberg, which is very famous and a nice area and neighborhood because it's very well connected and central, but still very residential, beautiful and quiet. There are some really picturesque houses and churches in this district. This neighborhood is called Bayerisches Viertel, and it's very beautiful around here. There are some restaurants and bars and cafes, but still the action and downtown is 15 to 20 minutes away with public transport. I'm going to show you a 2-bedroom apartment. So this is the entrance, and this is the corridor and living room, maybe all in one. So from this corridor you have access to all of the rooms. Let's start to my right with this bedroom. You can see it has very big windows to the inner courtyard, and here is a double bed. Okay, here you have this heating unit, chest. Let's have a look outside. It's very quiet. We are on the 3rd floor. It's very beautiful. It's autumn, so leaves getting yellow and red. So here you have some storage space, very useful, and a safe, and a big wardrobe here even behind this door. So you have lots of place to leave your belongings. Okay, let's continue with the tour. To my right, there's this bathroom, heating unit, bath tube, and shower. There's the sink and toilet, window to the street. Let's have a look. Here, this is the kitchen. It's totally equipped. You have a fridge, new electronic oven, and brand new dishwasher and washing machine. Here again is the sink. You have the view to the street. Okay. So let's continue the tour to this main bedroom, the master bedroom, with a huge king-size bed. There's the wardrobe. Okay, then let me have a view on this big, enormous double bed. And here again, the view to the street. Let's have a look at it. Very well connected, and lots of light coming in, even though it's cloudy. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the tour, powered by Spotahome.com.